Ever found yourself staring at your Bean wallet, a little confused about why your balances are showing up in a currency that isn't quite right for you? Maybe you're a digital nomad hopping between countries, or perhaps you just prefer to see your crypto holdings in your local fiat currency. Whatever your reason, navigating cryptocurrency wallets can sometimes feel like deciphering ancient scrolls. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to customize your Bean wallet experience, making it perfectly tailored to your financial perspective? Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the display currency within your Bean wallet. This isn't about converting your crypto, it's simply about how you view your assets. Think of it like changing the language on your phone. Your phone still works the same, but it's just presented in a way that's more comfortable for you. For many of us, seeing our crypto values reflected in a familiar currency can make managing our portfolio much clearer and less intimidating. It helps bridge the gap between the often abstract world of decentralized finance and the tangible reality of our everyday expenses and savings goals. So, let's get right into it. The process is remarkably straightforward, requiring just a few taps. First things first, open up your Bean Wallet application. You'll want to ensure you're on the main dashboard or wallet screen, where you typically see your various crypto balances listed. Now, look for the settings icon. On most Bean Wallet interfaces, this is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon, often located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that settings icon. This will open up a new menu with a range of options for customizing your wallet's behavior and appearance. Within the settings menu, you'll need to locate the currency or display currency option. It might be grouped under a broader category like general settings or preferences, so take a moment to scan the available options. Once you've found it, give it a tap. This will bring up a list of available fiat currencies. You'll see a wide array of options, from major global currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP, to various local currencies from around the world. Simply scroll through the list until you find the currency you wish to use as your display currency. Once you've found your desired currency, tap on it to select it. And that's it. As soon as you select your new currency, you should notice an immediate change. Head back to your main wallet dashboard, and you'll see all your crypto balances, transaction history, and any other relevant financial figures instantly updated to reflect the currency you just chose. No need to restart the app, no complex confirmations, it's that seamless. You can switch between currencies as often as you like, making it incredibly convenient for anyone who deals with multiple fiat currencies or simply wants to see how their portfolio stacks up against different economic benchmarks. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you interact with and understand your crypto assets. It truly personalizes your Bean Wallet experience, putting you in control of how your financial information is presented. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.